Hello everyone and welcome back. This kitchen is my happy place. Spending time in this kitchen to cook food with love is a real therapy to me. And what's even more relaxing is decking up this place in new forms and ways. This time, I wanted to do it without spending any additional money to see how far can I go. And I was really amazed to see how big difference the small pre-existing kitchen elements can make. In this video, I'll show you how. Let's get started. We all buy beautiful pieces of crockery in different forms and shapes and go to an extent of having a separate crockery unit too. But if you are looking for free and easy kitchen decor, then it's time to bring your best pieces out of your crockery unit and bring them in front. Coffee mugs, teacups, bowls, plates makes the perfect decor accessory for the kitchen. These small selected pieces are perfect to flaunt in some or the other corner of the kitchen. And my suggestion is to employ most frequently used crockery pieces to make this display functional as well. Why hide your beautiful see-through jars and storage containers inside the cabinets? Try using similar looking glass jars as it helps reducing the visual noise and makes the overall aesthetics of the kitchen look very synchronized. To make it even more functional, I would say that put the most frequently used food items in your best jars and use them as decor piece. These see-through glass jars adds the perfect beauty to the kitchen that it truly deserves. Wooden chopping boards are best to cover blank walls. Chopping boards are the most frequently used items as well, so you basically end up meeting your functional decor needs. Now, how about adding some tray here for some hint of color? Now, chopping board and tray are at my reach and also styling this kitchen corner well. Frames are best to tell your desired story in the kitchen. I bought this frame last year and happy to make use of it in my kitchen because it is reusable. For me, frames set the mood in the kitchen and I can keep changing the coats in this reusable frame, which I feel are the easiest to break the kitchen monotony. Hang them on the wall or place them on shelf. Frames can fit in anywhere without stealing extra space. You all know my home decor cannot be completed without plants. I wanted to give this spider plant a beautiful home in my kitchen, so I created this quick 5-minute macrame hanger for this spider plant to bring a new addition in my kitchen. Macrame tutorial is up and running on my Instagram page in case you are interested in learning this fun new skill. You may recall this syngonium I planted 3 weeks back in my plant video. Look at the roots now. It is thriving and decorating my kitchen so beautifully. These quiet beauties will lit up any corner of your kitchen without even complaining. So having plants in your kitchen is a must-have. Everyone has their own spatula collection and spatulas are our best friend in the kitchen. So let's dress them up nicely. My love for wooden spatula is indefinite and there is no denial how beautiful these different spatulas look when put together in this mug. No less than a bouquet in a vase. Talking of tools, add right organizers in your kitchen to display your daily kitchen tools. Displaying these items shows the beauty of your functional kitchen very well. Just like those mini cafes who use similar decor, hanging your pans, spatulas, whisks, etc. can show the vividness of your kitchen and also come handy when you need them. So here you have a functional and a very relatable decor for the kitchen. Talking of the kitchen, if food will not decorate the kitchen right, then I wonder what will. Colorful food items have a lot of hidden beauty in themselves. All you need is an eye to discover it. Oils, colorful pulses, whole spices, flour are few of those endless options you can easily flaunt in your kitchen. So find your favorite color from whatever you eat and go creative with their placement. Like real plants, artificial flowers can also look equally attractive. Placing them in beautiful jars, mugs, or even transparent glasses are enough to add the touch of color in your existing decor. Artificial flower is one of the easiest way to bring nature indoors. They don't need any care but still give the feel of freshness in the kitchen. We all use different appliances in our daily cooking. Choose the best appliance that are not only functional but also add some beauty in your kitchen and put them right in front. And if you want change, rotate them to see what works best for you and what actually look beautiful on the countertop. Last but not the least is to create a zone in your kitchen. Like earlier, I had a coffee corner which I have now replaced with this mini breakfast zone. This looks pretty but is also the most used and a busy zone in the morning. And the opposite side is my cooking essential corner. Having a dedicated space gives your kitchen a well organized and a beautiful look. Tea corner, juice corner are few of the other options that you can also explore. So here it is, my tips on creating some functional decor in your kitchen without spending a penny. I hope you found this video helpful, and if yes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to give me a big boost of motivation. Do share your recreations with me on Instagram as I will wait for them, and share few of your decor ideas in the comments below. Reading your comments really makes my day. And I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay tuned.